everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact ABN AMRO customer service. Firstly, open any of the web browser. In the top there's this address bar, type down abnamro.com and enter it. And once you're inside this home page, you need to go to this contact icon in the top. So from here, you can scroll a bit down here. Then you can also call a customer service, or you can also chat with Anna, which is a virtual assistant, as I'm going to select this chat here and find this chat icon in the bottom right. And this is a chat bot here. So you can simply chat with this bot here. You can also select this frequently asked question about in login here. And after that, you'll get instruction or the solution of your problem. And if you need to speak with the representative, you can also go back to the same page here and select this to call. And you need to call 0900 0024 if you're in Netherlands, or +311024111720 if you're calling from abroad. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.